Describe a program or app in your computer or phone. You should say what the app or program is, how you use it, why you use this app, and how you feel about it. Well, the app I would like to describe is called WeChat, which I use often on my phone. Actually, it is more than a chatting tool. It has a variety of incredible features and functions from different aspects of life. As for how I use this app, basically, I just need to unlock my phone, open it, and choose the function I need. Like sending text messages, voice messages, or video chatting. On other occasions, I use its e-wallet to pay bills. The only thing I need to do is to scan the QR code and pay. All this process is simply within a matter of seconds. It really comes in handy when I'm heading out and don't have cash on me. Regarding why I use it, the first key main reason is that WeChat strengthens the emotional bond between my parents and me. Thanks to it, I can video chat with my parents freely, and when I go travel, I can even take it as a camera to show them around. It really increases our mutual communication. Plus, it's a good way to interact with my friends, because we can see each other's posts and sharing comments on WeChat moments and stay in touch. Another subsequent factor is that WeChat is super convenient and multifunctional. I can top up my phone and book tickets such as train, coach, and film tickets, you name it. And it is quite often the case that this stuff can be purchased at a very deep discount. Thus, WeChat has penetrated into every aspect of my life. Lastly, for the feeling that I have with WeChat, I'll definitely say I'm quite satisfied with it. As I've mentioned, it can meet my various needs, from chatting to paying. Also, I feel so proud of it, because it is such an amazing app developed by Chinese and has made a great success and gained huge popularity worldwide. To be more specific, there are more than 8 billion WeChat users from inside and outside of China, and the number is still increasing. Thus, I do hope WeChat can keep moving and develop more useful functions. That's all for it.
Okay, and here's the second response to describe a program or app in your computer. Again, I don't know why it's not on.
Describe a program or app in your computer or phone.
Oh my goodness. All right, so this woman has some pronunciation problems. It's app, not abe, app.
You should say what the app or program is, how you use it, why you use this app, and how you feel about it. Well, the app I would like to describe is called WeChat, which I use often on my phone. Actually,
What is that? Actually? I mean, that's pretty good. She has a problem with phonemes, but the chunking is good, actually.
It is more than a chatting tool.
But then she says this. I don't know what the tracking tool is.
It has a variety of incredible features and functions.
Features. Okay, so yeah, she has some problems pronouncing the actual phonemes of the words correctly.
From different aspects of life.
What? But she also has a problem with vocabulary. Aspects of life on an app. What?
As for how I use this app.
Alright, so now this is good. She wants to talk about the next cue. So she says as for, and then she says what the cue is.
Basically.
And this discourse marker, basically, that's good.
Basically, I just need to unlock my phone, open it, and choose the function I need.
Open it. I need to unlock my phone, open it. Now, I don't know. The only kind of phone that you can open are those clamshell phones. You know, the ones from like the early, when was that? 90s, I guess? Those ones? how do you open your phone? I don't know what that means.
Like sending text messages, voice messages, or video chatting. On other occasions, I use its e-wallet to pay bills. The only thing I need to do is to scan the QR code and
QR code.
the QR code
QR code.
and pay. All this process is simply within a
What? All of it's what?
all this process is simply
Did you say all of its process?
within a matter of seconds.
Where's the verb? There's no verb in here. All of its oh, there's a be verb. All of its process is simply within. But there's still a verb missing from this.
In a matter of seconds. It really comes in handy when I'm heading out
Okay. So she said heading out instead of going out.
and don't have catch on me. Regarding why I use it,
Okay, and here's how she introduces the, what's this, the third cue, I guess. Regarding why I use it. First main reason.
the first key main reason is that
Oh, key main reason. Okay. Now, is there a difference between main and key? No, there isn't. So you don't need to say main key reason. Or key main reason. Just choose one. Key reason, main reason.
WeChat strengthens the emotional
Strengthens, not strengthens.
bond between my parents and me. Thanks to it, I can video chat with my parents freely, and when I go travel, I can even take it as a camera to show them around.
Oh, I just realized now. I think she wanted to say show, not shop. Oh my goodness.
And when I go travel, I can even take it as a camera to show them around.
Right. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I think she's trying to say show, but it came out sounding like shop. Okay. See, if your mispronunciations cause so much confusion that people listening to you can't quite make out what you're saying, when it causes confusion, I don't know how you can get more than a 5 for pronunciation.
And take it as a camera to show them around. It really increases our mutual communication. Plus, it's a good way to interact with my friends, because we can see each other's posts and sharing comments on WeChat.
Okay, so here we can see, but then why is this ing? Because we can see, so that means we can share. So there's no ing there.
Moments and stay in touch.
Whoa, what am I doing? Oh, WeChat moments. I guess that's like a feature of WeChat. That's why I capitalized this. I'm guessing it's a feature. I don't know. I don't use WeChat.
And stay in touch.
Stay in touch instead of stay in touch.
Another subsequent factor is that
No, there's no subsequence because this is not a timeline. It's not that A leads to B.
WeChat is super convenient and multifunctional. I can top up my phone and book tickets such as train, coach, and film tickets.
She has this very crisp way of talking. Book tickets. It's too crisp. And the words don't flow into each other, so we don't see too many signs of connected speech.
Phone and book tickets such as train, coach, and film tickets.
Fib tickets? Fib tickets? What tickets?
As train, coach, and film tickets.
Film? Could it be film? Maybe film.
Tickets, you name it. And it is quite often the case that this stuff can be purchased
This stuff. This stuff.
at a very deep discount Thus, WeChat has penetrated into every aspect of
I think she wanted to say that's why, but she left out the why.
discount. Thus, WeChat has penetrated in
Unless she's saying thus. Is she saying thus?
discount. Thus, WeChat has
Oh, she is, right? Wow. I'm having a hard time understanding what she's saying clearly. But yeah, after listening to this thus, let's change that to thus. Has penetrated into every aspect of... No, wait a second. Why is there a that there?
Thus, WeChat has penetrated into every aspect of my life.
Okay, I think let's put a comma there because I think that's just a self-correction. Wait, where is it? Yeah, this is just a self-correction. She didn't really want to say of that. She wanted to say of my life. Okay.
Life. Lastly, for the feeling that I have with WeChat.
For the feeling that I have with WeChat. Can you have feelings with an app? I think what she's trying to say, lastly, for the feelings that I have of WeChat, even that sounds a bit strange. How I would say for how I feel about WeChat. How I feel about WeChat.
I'll definitely say I'm quite satisfied with it.
Okay, just as FYI, it's now about 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
As I've mentioned, it can meet my various needs, from chatting to paying. Also, I feel so proud of
Paying what?
it, cause it is such an amazing app developed by Chinese and has made a great success and gained huge popularity
worldwide. See, nothing is connected. She doesn't say popularity and she doesn't say worldwide. Popularity worldwide. It's like syllable by syllable by syllable.
popularity worldwide. To be more specific, there are more than 8 billion WeChat users from
That's amazing. So there are more WeChat users than there are people in the world. Okay.
inside and outside of China, and the number is still increasing. Thus, I do hope WeChat can keep moving and develop more useful functions. That's all for it.
Okay, so this closing, I mean, when you finish talking, it is not a bad idea to tell the examiner that you're finished, because otherwise they're not sure if you're finished or not, and they stare at you to make sure that you're not going to say something else, that you're not going to continue speaking. You see them staring at you, you feel nervous, or you feel like you have to say something else. So if you feel you've said all you want to say, end it. But not like this. Just say that's all. There's no for it. Okay, so she spoke for almost 3 minutes, which is kind of ridiculous. The biggest problem is the pronunciation. The rhythm, the way that she pronounces every syllable of every word, and then also there are so many words that she mispronounces. The vocabulary was pretty decent.